Let's do a quick recap on addition and subtraction with fractions. Important to remember is that when you add or subtract with fractions, the denominators have to be the same before you can perform any operation. The denominator, the bottom digit. So we need to do that by finding the lowest common multiplier of the two denominators. In this case, that is 15. Please pay attention to the layout of the problem. In maths, it's really important how we set out what we do because that shows how logical our thinking is. So I'm doing the rough work in a different color. It's nice if one does it in pencil if you work in your book. So you do the problem in ink and the rough work in pencil so that you can see what you're doing. So now we are going to make the denominators the same. But with fractions, the rule is whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. What you do at the bottom, you have to do at the top. And what you do at the top, you have to do at the bottom. So we're going to multiply that by 5. And the 5 we're going to multiply by 3. That means we're going to have 5 over 15 plus 3 over 15. Now that the denominators are the same, now we can add our fractions. We're going to add the numerators. And that's going to give us 8 over 15. We don't add the denominators. That is the digit that tells us what type of fraction we are working with. Don't add the denominators. Only add the numerators. In this case, the fraction cannot be simplified. Therefore, our final answer is 8 over 15. Let's recap. When we add and subtract with fractions, the denominators have to be the same. We do that by finding the lowest common multiplier. Once the denominators are the same, we can add the numerators. And that's adding with fractions. Just remember, you cannot add or subtract unless the denominators are the same.